Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to delete multiple contacts on your iPhone. So let's get started. To access your contacts, you can either go through the phone app and tap contacts or simply open the contacts app directly. Either way, you will see your full contact list. Now, normally to delete a contact, you would just tap on a contact and tap edit and scroll all the way down and tap delete contact. That's the standard way to do it. But this involves too many steps, and if you want to delete multiple contacts, doing it one by one is honestly a nightmare. So here is a much faster way to delete multiple contacts. All you need to do is use two fingers and swipe through the contact list to start selecting them. As you swipe, you will see multiple contacts getting selected. You can also skip some and continue selecting others. It doesn't have to be in one continuous block. So once you have selected all the contacts you want to delete, just tap and hold and you will get the option to delete contacts. For example, I have selected 9 contacts here. I can just tap delete, confirm it, and they will all be removed at once. Now, if you don't want to select them in one continuous swipe and instead you want to pick contacts randomly, you can do that too. Again, use two fingers and swipe down on one contact, then move to the another contact and do the same. Repeat this for any contacts you want to select, even if they are not next to each other. So once you have selected everything, just tap and hold and then tap delete. You can delete all of them. Just one thing to keep in mind: when you're using two fingers, don't accidentally tap on a contact. If you do, it will open the contact and you will lose all your selections. So you will have to start over again. So that's how you delete multiple contacts on your iPhone. I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.